Suppose you're dealing with a plumbing project that includes some pipe pressing tasks. Well, the ProPress tool will speed up the productivity and get them done in the blink of an eye. So in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best ProPress tools for plumbers that will live up to all the satisfaction. So without further ado, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Bring efficiency to your plumbing task with the ZUPPER PZ1930, a battery-powered hydraulic press tool that comes with an exceptionally ergonomic design and optimized position of the center of gravity. This pipe press tool features an OLED data display that shows crimping time, electricity quantity, maintenance reminding, and more with easy reading facilities. Having a 180-degree swiveling head, this tool allows easy access to the connections, while the crimping head rotates 350 degrees for trouble-free operation. Running on 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and featuring an air cooling heat dissipation system, this pipe pressing tool will allow you to have a long runtime and lifespan. Plus, it has a 2-stage hydraulic system with fast feed and power control, and also features a quick motor stop mechanism that will guarantee you the highest safety. In short, grab this ZUPPER PZ1930 and put an end to all your tensions of pipe pressing tasks with its ergonomic design and work efficiency. Next up, we have the Hilti PR32A, a specially designed pipe press tool for professional plumbers with unparalleled versatility to deal with copper, metal, or plastic pipes. This press tool provides up to 32 kilonewtons of pressing force, meaning you don't need to adopt heat or soldering techniques to connect copper or other pipes. Plus, it has a capacity of the 1/2 to 4 inch for copper pipes and a 1/2 to 2 inch of steel pipes, allowing you to complete your regular professional plumbing tasks easily. This tool comes in an inline design and features rotating head positioning, letting you operate in confined and tough areas without any hassle. Besides, the built-in LED takes the job to a different level of convenience, making the low-light areas illuminated. All in all, this Hilti PR32A is a professional-grade tool that is ideal for all users to get better productivity and reliability for your next plumbing project. Have you ever gotten annoyed by pipe pressing in tight spaces? Then have a look at this RIDGID 57363 RP241, the most compact yet versatile pipe press tool in the industry that has a perfect combination of power and comfort. This tool can press up to 1 1/4 inches on copper and stainless steel pipes, up to 1 1/2 inches on PEX tubing, and up to 1 inch on carbon steel pipes. Plus, the 180-degree swiveling head of this tool allows you to reach the toughest spaces and completes a maximum of 140 presses on a single charge. This press tool also provides a better weight balance and features a low-profile ergonomic design, letting you do one-handed operations to tackle challenging situations. One of the unique selling points of this tool is it offers Bluetooth connectivity with the RIDGID Link app, allowing you to track numbers of cycles, battery information, and many more. Combined with a lightweight design and versatile pressing efficiency, this RIDGID 57363 RP241 will be a great solution to handle projects in tight and confined spaces. Meet the DEWALT DCE 200 M2K, the handiest pipe press tool in the category with the latest technologies to make your plumbing experience way better and more convenient. This heavy-duty tool provides a standout force and is capable of pressing pipe fittings from 1/2 to 4 inch in copper, PEX, stainless steel, and carbon steel pipe. With a 360-degree pivoting head, it lets you easily maneuver in tight spaces, and the black galvanized coating of the crimping provides absolute protection from corrosion. Plus, it features the forward and reverse triggers that add improvements to the use. Besides, it includes 5 pieces of 1/2 to 2 inch crimping heads. So make your pipe pressing tool accurate and hassle-free with this DEWALT DCE 200 M2K, as it holds the newest technologies to increase productivity. Now say hello to the smallest, most intelligent extended length press tool on the market, the Milwaukee 2773-22L, a perfect pipe pressing assistant that lets you work like a pro. This industry's first brushless press tool has an adjustable stroke length that delivers optimized cycle time on 1.5-inch to 2-inch Grinnell stainless steel press connections. With the lightest inline design, this pipe press tool offers unrivaled access and provides the highest press accuracy and reliability. Moreover, it can operate 50,000 cycles before calibration is needed, meaning you'll get the longest calibration interval in the category. Plus, the tool's green LED indicator indicates both when a press cycle has been completed as well as when calibration is necessary. Overall, add this Milwaukee 2773-22L to sort out all plumbing issues in confined areas and make pipe pressing a breeze. So that was the list of the 5 best ProPress tools for plumbers, just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.